What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your Whop memberships. So all you have to do is simply click your profile on the lower left hand side, and you want to go ahead and click on memberships right under the account settings there. So once you click on that, you will find all of those memberships that you currently join. So whether those are paid memberships or free memberships, you'll be able to actually see them there. Now I'm going to go to discover real quick and just quickly show you something. So for example, if I want to see the WAP clips, I can go ahead and I can click on that. As you can see, that is actually free, and so it will take me over to this page right here. Now as you can see, I'm on the page, and all I have to do really is just simply click on join because this one is free. Once you click on join, you will see that it redirects you and it takes you right into that specific WAP where you can see all of those good stuff. So this is the course, this is everything that you need to see. Now the reason why I'm showing you this is because I want to show you what you will see under the join section. So if I go back to my profile again on the left hand side and go back to memberships, you will see now here that I have one membership under my account here. So this is the one that I joined. You'll also have anything that is under waiting list. So if you have something that you want to join but you're on a waiting list, you will find those, and those that are expired, if you're paying like memberships, monthly memberships, and they're expired, you will see them here as well. But that's it.